Living in Kendall means enjoying bright sunshine, warm temperatures, and lush tropical views year-round. However, Florida's climate also brings intense heat, high humidity, and sudden rainstorms, conditions that can put a lot of strain on a home's windows. For Kendall homeowners who want to enjoy expansive outdoor views without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency, weatherproof picture windows offer the perfect solution. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to withstand Florida's tropical climate while keeping your home cool, comfortable, and protected. Here's how weatherproof picture windows help protect Kendall homes from heat, humidity, and harsh weather conditions. Superior heat resistance for better indoor comfort. Florida is famous for its sun and its heat. Without proper window protection, sunlight can quickly warm your home, causing air conditioning systems to work overtime. Weatherproof picture windows are engineered with advanced glass technologies designed specifically to reduce heat transfer. Features like low-E glass coatings, double or triple pane glass, tinted or reflective layers, gas-filled insulation between panes help block out solar radiation and keep interior temperatures more stable. This means your Kendall home stays cooler naturally, even during peak summer months. Homeowners often notice a significant difference in comfort, with rooms feeling less stuffy and hot spots virtually eliminated. Built to withstand Florida's humidity, Kendall's humidity is more than just uncomfortable, it can wreak havoc on standard windows. Moisture buildup can lead to mold growth, condensation, and damage to frames or seals. Weatherproof picture windows are designed to resist these issues. Their construction includes moisture-resistant frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, specialized sealing systems to block humid air, anti-condensation glass technology. These features help ensure that even on the most humid days, picture windows remain clear, dry, and structurally sound. For Kendall homeowners, this means fewer maintenance concerns and better indoor air quality all year long. Exceptional protection against Florida storms. While picture windows do not open, they provide outstanding strength and stability, qualities that matter during Florida's unpredictable storm season. Many weatherproof picture windows are available with impact-resistant glass, the same kind used in hurricane-rated window systems. Impact-resistant picture windows offer protection from flying debris, reduced risk of shattering, enhanced security and safety, peace of mind during hurricane season. For Kendall residents, this added layer of protection is invaluable, helping safeguard both their homes and families. Energy savings that make a real difference. Cooling costs can escalate quickly in Kendall's climate. Weatherproof picture windows help reduce energy consumption by preventing heat from entering and conditioned air from escaping. Because picture windows are fixed, they naturally provide a more airtight seal compared to operable windows. These energy-saving benefits include lower monthly utility bills, less strain on HVAC systems, better overall efficiency, improved long-term window performance. Over time, many homeowners find that the savings on energy costs help offset the investment in upgraded windows. Expansive views without the climate concerns. One of the main reasons Kendall homeowners love picture windows is their ability to create open, airy spaces with beautiful views. Large picture windows bring the outdoors in, showcasing Florida's palm trees, gardens, and sunny skies. With weatherproofing technology, you don't have to choose between enjoying the view and staying comfortable indoors. These windows offer crystal clear visibility, UV protection to prevent fading of furniture and flooring, a modern, clean aesthetic that enhances home value. You enjoy the beauty of Kendall's landscape without the heat or humidity ruining your comfort. A smart, long-lasting upgrade for Kendall homes. Weatherproof picture windows deliver the ideal combination of beauty, durability, and performance for Florida's unique climate. By blocking heat, resisting humidity, and offering protection against severe weather, they help homeowners maintain comfortable, efficient, and resilient living spaces. If you're looking to elevate your home's style while ensuring long-term protection against Kendall's heat and humidity, weatherproof picture windows are a smart upgrade that pays off year after year.